In today's tutorial, we'll learn the piano accompaniment for Wonderful Tonight by Eric Clapton in the lower key of F major. This tutorial is better suited for singers with a lower vocal range. Let's get started. Here's middle C for our reference, and the song is in the key of F major, which has only one flat, B flat. We'll begin with the intro of the song, which sounds like this. Starting with our left hand, our first chord is F major, where we'll play F, C, and F. Next is C over E, where we have E, C, E. Then we have B flat major with B flat, F, and B flat. Again, that's F major, C over E, and B flat major. Then we play the melody C, D, E, G, and F. So again, that's F major, C over E, B flat major, and the melody C, D, E, G, and F. For the right hand, we have C, A, G, F, and we play C, E, G together while rolling our fingers. Then we have C, A, G, F, and D. Again, then we have C, A, G, and F. Then we'll play E, G together, F and A together, G and B flat together, B flat and D together, and A and C together. Let's play the entire right hand again. Now with hands together slowly, we have this. This instrumental section is played twice in the intro, and it is played in these other areas of the song. Now we'll cover the verse sections. Starting with our left hand, we have F, C, and F, E, C, and E, B flat, F, and B flat. And for C major, we'll play C, G, and C. So that's F major, C over E, B flat major, and C major. Now on the right hand, for F major, we'll play C, F, and A together. With hands together, our rhythm will sound like this. For C over E, we'll play C, E, and G together on our right. For B flat major, we'll play B flat, D, and F together on our right. For C major, we'll play C, E, and G together on our right. So again, that's F major, C over E, B flat major, and C major. Then we'll repeat this chord progression again with F major, C over E, B flat major, and C major. Then we have B flat major, which we learned earlier. Then C major. Next we have F major and C over E. Next we have D minor, where we'll play D, A, and D on our left hand, and D, F, and A together on our right hand. So again, that's B flat major, C major, F major, C over E, and D minor. Then we have B flat major and C major. Then we'll play our instrumental section here.
This first section is played in these areas of the song.
This brings us to our bridge section, and we already know how to play all the chords. The chords are B flat major, C major, F major, C over E, D minor, B flat major, C major, B flat major, and C major.
After the bridge, we go into the instrumental section of the song.
Now we'll cover the outro, which follows the third verse.
First, we'll play the last part of the third verse.
Then for the outro, we'll play F major, C over E, D minor. And then for F over C, we have C, A, and C on the left, and C, F, and A played together on the right. Let's try that again. F major, C over E, D minor, F over C. Then we have B flat major, C major, and then we have our instrumental section played twice. And we can end with the F major chord. For F major, we can play F, C, and F on our left, C, F, A, and C on the right hand, and we'll roll our fingers on the right hand.
Here are some of my other tutorials you might be interested in.